Hey friends, if you encounter the ene.sys driver error on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. Now, our first approach should be to update all drivers. So, right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Now, now you can go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side, and then in the right pane select advanced options, select optional updates. Okay, and then return to the Windows Update page and click on check for updates. So this is one thing. The second solution will be after running the Windows, after updating Windows, the second solution will be to search for Windows security in the Windows search bar and open Windows security. Wait for it to load, and then you can disable core isolation. This is what is suggested. So here's what you have to do. Go to the device security tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, there's something called as core isolation. Go to it and make sure that memory integrity is off. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.